Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. I hope you had a nice weekend. It's Monday, July 25th. So market open. On Mondays, I kind of like to do the open just because it tends to be a little bit on the slower side. For the most part, it can be kind of tricky. But this morning, just kind of let it run for a couple minutes. And then I just kind of waited and see what the market was going to do. So once I saw a breakout to the down move, and it happened to fit my setup. So it's the purple background, which means down, and right below the indicators. And I took it back-to-back trades. So pretty easy trading morning for me. So sometimes that setup, I think it works most of the time. Very, very few times that it doesn't. So if you see that, that setup shows up for going long or going short, and you'll see that setup all the time. So it's not like you have to wait for hours to see it. Literally, this was I think maybe 3 minutes into the trading morning, and it popped up. So I took it and ran with it. So I'm running the Ripper X Reloaded. This is a $150,000 account. So I'm running it a little bit more aggressively, if you want to say that. I'm running 6 contracts, so it's a lot. I would recommend that if you have a smaller account, maybe you do like a 2-in-1, or a 3-in-1. So you're running about 4 contracts. So that's what I would recommend. But I'm running it a little bit more aggressively. This account has a $9,000 profit target over a minimum of 10 days. So that would be about 900 a day. So I'm being way more aggressive than I need to be. But I'm doing it just for demonstration, really, so you can see the potential of what you could see with your software. But remember, just trade what works for you and stick to that, and stick to your profit target. And when you're done, shut it down. Be done for the day. So thank you everyone for reaching out. As you heard, I did turn off my email. If you write me an email, you will get an automated message. There are a couple of you that I've interacted with for months. So don't worry about that. I'll continue to stay in touch. So for those of you that we've kind of created a rapport, we're sharing tips and things like that. That's cool. I'll continue to do that. So don't worry about that. It's just really new people that are just inquiring, just general questions about the software. Those are the people that I'm encouraging to contact to Trade Direct. Okay, so I look forward to continue to interact, but I will monitor the inbox. So if there are questions, I will do that. You take that into account when I do my next Q&A video. As you can see on screen, took the first trade for almost $1,000 net, and it'll take the next trade, and I think we ended up at I can't remember now. I think close to 1,500 net for the morning. Again, I'm running this a little bit more aggressively than I typically would. So if you're running the X or some other automation, please keep in mind, you always want to make sure that the number of contracts that you trade is appropriate for the account size. So you don't want to blow up an account by trading way too many contracts. For example, on a 50K account, you don't want to run it with 10. Even though you can with Apex, doesn't mean you should, because just one DRAM adjustment or anything like that, and your account's gone. The trailing drawdown is going to get you. But anyway, that's where I ended up today. Good morning. Was pretty happy with the results. My setup worked. So with that, I'm gonna let you go. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Take care now. Bye.